Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Homemaking 101. Sandwiches are perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 sandwich ideas for each meal of the day. But before starting, I have a request to make. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Homemaking 101 and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. So let's start our first sandwich. So for this sandwich I'm taking extra firm tofu, which is around 10 to 12 ounces, and you can also take firm, but this is extra firm. And after this I have taken 1 cup of sliced onions and 1/4 cup of tomato puree. So I have put the tomatoes in the food processor and made puree. You can also grate the tomatoes and use it. And then I'm using 1 teaspoon of ginger, grated ginger, and some chopped coriander leaves. So now let's talk about the spices. So in spices I'm going to use turmeric powder or haldi, then red chili powder, and after it I'm going to use salt to taste, and in the end I'm going to use Kitchen King masala. It's from MDH brand. You can get it easily at any Indian store. If you don't have Kitchen King masala, you can also add garam masala, but I like to flavor it with Kitchen King masala, so I just use it. So that's it all about the spices. Now moving on. Now I'm going to grate my tofu, and you can also crumble it. So as you can see, my tofu is done. So the next step is I'm going to heat a pan on high heat and then add my sliced onions in it with some oil. And I'm going to saute the onions on medium high heat till the onions turn pinkish in color. So after this I'm going to add ginger in it, and at this point of time I'm going to turn my heat to low and let it saute so that the raw taste of the ginger goes away. And after the ginger is done, I'm going to add my spices, that is turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kitchen King masala, and I'm going to saute them for a second, and after it I'm going to add my tomato puree. And I'm going to cook this mixture of onions and tomatoes on high heat. Now when the tomatoes are cooked nicely and the mixture leaves the oil on the sides, I'm going to add my grated tofu to it and then add salt to taste and mix well. Now I'm going to cook this mixture on medium heat till all the water dries up from tofu and all the flavors are combined. So now you can see the stuffing is almost ready as the water has dried up, and now I'm going to switch off the gas and sprinkle some coriander leaves on top of it, and just take out my stuffing in the bowl and let it cool before assembling the sandwiches. So I'm ready to assemble the sandwiches now. The mixture has cooled down, and I'm using this kind of grill on top of the coiled stove top, and then I'm keeping my sandwich maker on top of it. You can also do it in electric sandwich maker, but I don't have one, so that's why I'm using this. So now I'm just going to assemble the sandwiches as we all do. Now this is the perfect breakfast or brunch or even lunch also, even if you have just 5 to 7 minutes to spend on food. What I do is just prepare the stuffing mixture the night before, so it's ready to add to my sandwich in the morning, and it cannot get much easier than that. It makes such a healthy, satisfying meal to have first thing in the morning or any time of the day, as 8 ounces of tofu has nearly 20 grams of protein. You guys are going to love this sandwich. It's healthy, light, satisfying, mega flavorful, packed with protein, and very simple. And best of all is that it's a really great option for packable lunch, as it is as it tastes really good on room temperature also. And the other great thing about this sandwich is that kids love it too. So my sandwich is ready to serve, and here it is. So let me tell you about the ingredients first. Here I have taken 1 cup each of chopped onions, grated carrots and chopped bell peppers. You can take any hearty vegetable which you like. After that I am taking chopped coriander leaves. then semolina or sooji or durum wheat flour, and also taking some milk, salt and black pepper, and these ingredients will make our stuffing. Now let me tell you about other ingredients. So here I'm taking whole wheat bread, and after that I'll be taking some grated cheese. I'm taking mozzarella cheese because I just like mozzarella cheese in this sandwich. Then butter spread, you can also use oil or butter, whatever you like, and some ketchup. So first of all, I'm going to make my stuffing mixture. So I'm going to add my vegetables in the bowl. After the veggies, I'm going to add semolina and mix it well. So whenever I pack this sandwich as a lunch, I generally prepare till this step and keep the mixture in the fridge, and in the morning I just take it out and add the other ingredients and then just prepare the sandwiches. So now I'll add the milk and then mix it well, and the amount of milk to be used depends upon the type of semolina you are using. If you're using coarse one, it might take a little bit more milk, and if you're using fine, then it might take a little bit less. So all in all, I used around 1 cup of milk, and so I'll just show you the consistency of the mixture. You just be the judge and use the amount of milk needed. So my mixture is ready. Now I'll add my salt to the mixture and some ground black pepper, and after that I'll add the chopped coriander leaves and just mix it well, and the stuffing mixture is ready to go. So I'll start assembling the sandwiches. First of all, I'm going to apply butter spread on one side of both the breads, and after that I'm going to flip it, and on the other side I'm applying ketchup, and you can apply mint chutney, coriander chutney, whatever you like. So now I'm going to spread the semolina mixture on one toast, and then after it I have heated tawa or griddle pan on medium high heat, and I'm going to put some oil on it so that the semolina mixture doesn't stick to it. And then I'm going to place the toast filling side down, and I'll cook it till the semolina mixture turns a little bit golden brown in color. So similarly, I'm going to put the second toast on hot tawa or griddle, and after some time I'll check and flip the toast if the mixture has turned golden brown, and at this time I'm going to lower the heat to low to medium, and also spread the grated cheese on top of the toast. So you will notice that the cheese has also started melting. If the cheese is not melting, you can also cover the pan with the lid. Now I'm going to put the other toast on top of the cheese, which will also help it to melt, and then I will flip the sandwich so that the other slice of the bread can toast. So this sandwich is perfect for lunch, whether you are taking them to work or working from home. I also pack this for kids lunchbox also, or picnic snack, as it is equally delicious at room temperature. And you know what, with all these veggies, it's pretty healthy too. So the bread is toasted on both the sides and it's ready to serve. Serve it with ketchup, tomato chutney, mint chutney, whatever you like. And from this amount of mixture, I got around 5 sandwiches. So let's start from our ingredients first. Here I have taken some sliced veggies. I have sliced them diagonally. First of all, I have taken cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, zucchini and bell peppers. So you can take any favorite veggie of yours, and I have taken yellow bell peppers. You can take any bell peppers. And for spices, I have taken salt, garlic powder and black pepper. And for the spreads, I have taken mayo, this is eggless, and mint chutney. So first of all, I'm going to take a bowl in which I'm going to add the peppers, zucchini and onions, and I'm going to then season them with a little bit of oil and add my spices, that is salt, pepper and garlic powder. So after adding all the spices, I'm going to mix the mixture gently. So I have heated my grill pan on high heat and I'm going to now put my veggies onto it to grill. Now grilling the veggies on the grill pan adds so much flavor to them, and grilling onions bring out their sweetness. They are tender but still have a slight crunch to them. So when the veggies are done on one side, I am going to flip them so as they can grill on the other side also. And you can see that we are looking for these grill marks. So when the veggies are grilled on both the sides, I'm going to take them out on the plate and we are ready to assemble the sandwiches. Now I'm going to season the tomato and cucumber slices with some salt and black pepper and just mix them with a very light hand. So now I'm going to prepare the dip by mixing the mayo in the mint chutney and mixing it well. And how much creamier or how much spicier you want your dip to be, that depends upon the ratio of mint chutney to the mayo. So you can customize it according to your taste. I have taken equal quantities of mayo and mint chutney and my dip is ready now. So now as you can see, my assembling station is ready. I have my veggies, I have my tomato and cucumber slices, my dip, my panini maker is out. So if you guys don't have panini maker, you can always use sandwich maker. Now let's start assembling the sandwiches. So first of all, I'm going to spread my dip on both the slices of bread, and by the way, I'm taking a whole wheat bread which is very hearty and it's very healthy also. Then I'm going to put slices of cucumber, tomato, my grilled veggies, and you can definitely put in any order you like and in any quantity you like. And after it, I'm going to brush it with a little bit of oil to make it a little bit more crunchier. And now I'm going to put it in my panini maker. So the flavor of the grilled veggies plus the crunch of cucumber, sweetness of tomato and spiciness from mint chutney takes this sandwich to a whole new level. And what I love most about this sandwich is that while it may have a decent amount of ingredients, it's really pretty quick and easy to make. And the very best part is a quick and healthy dinner ready in less than 30 minutes. If you make any of these sandwiches, please be sure to give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe to Homemaking 101. Till then, have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye.